What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So going to do a quick video today on how to install or remove fender flares, whichever you want. You can see I have a little bit of rust right here. So locally had a guy selling my exact color and everything and OEM fender flares for 50 bucks. So figured it was going to be kind of a cheap fix. So you're really just going to need two tools and just the fender flares, obviously. So you're going to need an 8mm, and I'm going to show you each individual bolt inside. And then if you have these little mud flaps, you're going to need a Torx 15, which I got this little tool from Harbor Freight. You're going to need this because it has twist clips, which I'm going to show you here in just a second. And then literally all you're going to do is reinstall this too. So if you're wondering how to install, and I'm sure this is the same exact way for aftermarket fender flares, if you go that route or whatever the case might be. But I'm going to point out each individual bolt. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put the new one on, tighten it up, and show you. I will say this: the OEM fender flares do not use all of the same bolts that are in here. So you're going to have like one or two extra bolts. I guess you could re-drill the hole if you wanted to, but it's literally not going to hurt it to miss one or two of those bolts. So let me go ahead and show you each individual bolt up close so you guys know. And remember, 8mm, Torx 15 is the only two tools that you need. Both of those up, and you're literally just going to keep following this. And what this is to hold your inner fender liner in, and you can see that little bit of rust right there, down there. So those are all your 8mm that I just went over right there. And then where the Torx comes in at is going to be under here. So these are like a push style, so they're not going to spin all the way out, they're just going to spin a little bit, and you should be able to put force. But there's two of them that are on this little plastic piece right here. So let me go ahead and get this. All right guys, so here's the end result. Plastic piece removed with those two Torx. They're kind of hard sometimes, you kind of got to put a little bit of force on them. But anyway, to show you guys what I mean, so normally your factory one's going to have two. If you're not running fender flares, they're going to have 2 and 2. So you can see they only have 1 and 1. And then the last thing I didn't talk about right there, there's like a guide clip. So what you're going to do is you're going to push this in first, and then you're going to put all your bolts in so that you're not holding it up. But anyway, just a little short video. Hopefully it helps you guys out. Comment below if it did, if you have any questions. The front's the same exact way.